Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is a June 2018 32 variant. Our topic is a complex number, question number 7. We have given here u and v, this expressed by u, this expressed by v. And he's saying what? Find in terms in the form of x plus iota y for the complex number u into v and u y v. So first of all, let's start. U times 2v. So u is negative 3 root 3 plus iota times 2 v. V is root 3 plus 2 iota. And this multiply with this, okay. And you all of you know root 3 times 2 root 3 give you 3 only. I repeat, root x times 2 root x will give you root x square and square root cancel, got x. So it means root 3 into root 3, 3 and 3, 1, 3 already present, 9. 3 3s are 9. So then this multiply with that and I get it negative 6 root 3 iota. This multiply with this, I get root 3 iota. And this with, so iota, so I got 2 iota to power 2. And all of you know iota square give you minus 1. And further, I can say negative 9. These two values, root 3 same. Look at here, this value match. And what number before here? Minus 6, here plus 1. So I get negative 5 root 3 iota. And here, this is a minus 1. So I get a negative 2. And then, and this give you finally minus 11 minus 5 root 3 iota. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So first part we have done very easily. And now let's go for next plan. So next plan is what? Okay, we have to go for second value. Wait a minute. Just a minute. Yes, okay. Next, let's talk about next one, division. What is division criteria? Division, simple divided, the way we divide two complex numbers. So u is coming negative root 3 plus iota over root 3 plus 2 iota. And you know it very well when you want to divide, there's only one choice we have. And what is called rationalize. So rationalization means what take a conjugate of the denominator and multiply up and down with that. So I repeat again what I am saying. Have a look. So multiply up and down with a conjugate of the denominator only, not the numerator, make sure. So root 3 minus 2 iota, root 3 minus 2 iota. Hold on. With iota, what the sign changes? And up and down multiply. And now I'm going to complete. And all of it familiar. So this multiply with that. I think, let me check. Yeah. No, it is a different thing. Wait a minute. Let me check. They're different. So let's start. So this multiply with that, I get a negative 3 3 is a 9. And this multiply with this, I get plus 6 root 3 iota. So then I get root 3 iota and I get negative 2 iota to power 2. And down, you know, it very well, first term matches, second terms, they match and sign opposite in the middle. We can apply this rule, all of you familiar, a plus b, a minus b, give you a squared minus b squared. So square of the first term, square of second term. Here root 3 comes, and here 2 iota comes. So u over v and negative 9, and this is plus 6 and plus 1. I get plus 7 root 3 iota. Whereas iota square is minus, so minus minus plus. I get plus 2. In denominator, square root cancel out, I get 3. And here I got a square of 2 give you 4. And square of iota give you minus 1. Make sure, please, here chance of mistake. So this and this give you what? Negative 7 plus 7 root 3 iota and minus minus plus, I got a 7. This 7 divide both values and ultimately I am getting u over v and negative 1 plus and minus root 3 iota. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. So wait a minute, no plus and minus, only plus. Yeah, only plus. Okay. So we have done it. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. This is also over. And we got two answers, UV, easily. Okay. Next part, what is asking for? This is done. Next part is asking for on the sketch on Argand diagram. Okay, show point A and B representing A representing by U and B representing by V. Make sure A is representing by U and B is representing by V. Sorry, not they are not dividing, simply U and V. And then I have to forgo it. So let's start. What is U and V? Let me copy from here. Minus 3 root 3. U is minus 3 root 3. And what is that beside of it? Iota plus iota. And V complex number second is root 3 plus 2 iota. Okay. Let's start now how we can complete a question. According to the statement he mentioned here, this is represented by A. Wait a minute, yeah, enough space we have. This is represented by A coordinate, this is represented by B, according to the statement. And all of you know root 3 is, okay, we have to check it before I start. Root 3 is 1.7321 or 1.73. And what is 3 root 3? Because no need to know exact, but just only for sake of like a more accurate, not accuracy, but close to accurate. This is 5.2, we can say. 5.19, so 5.20. I hope so got the idea. Now I'm going to sketch it here. And first of all, make a plan. Where is this point locates? X is negative, y positive. It means somewhere X is negative, y positive. It means in second quadrant. Okay, where this point locates both are positive, so positive and positive. Slightly above, why above? Because iota is 2 iota. This height is a little bit high. So this kind of diagram, I get it. So I get a concept from here. Now I can make it. So I suggest you as a teacher, so please, whenever you do this kind of question, best idea what? You have to make it first rough and then you have to make an accurate type. Not accurate means again sketch. 1.73, I think so, is a 5 point something. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Although no need to this much accuracy, just a sake of understanding. So it is a 5.2, so it is a somewhere here, negative 3 root 3. Okay, and it is a very clear approach, iota here. So I get 1 point. This is here. Okay, A coordinates. Now, where other point 3 root this one, so again x, we have 1 and we can see here 1 and 2. But it's a 1.73, approximately close to 2. So this point is called root 3. Okay, and I think so this point is very clear now, and this is 2. And now I can label easily this point I'm looking for is called B. And now I'm going to join with the origin O. You can see here. And similar approach, I can join here. Okay. Now this, what is the interesting part, best technique, this I call as name alpha. This name I given beta, just sake of understanding, but my target is to get the angle between them. This is my target. So I think so. Your diagram is very clear and is helping you. Look at here. What is full angle from here to there is pi. Very clear approach. How come, sir? Total angle is 180 degree. You can ask me 180 degree or pi. So same. So out of pi, if I find alpha and find beta, I will leave this. I will leave this. I will get my answer. So this is a plan of action. So for how to get alpha, so I think this triangle is very visible. Look and make sure again. This triangle I talk about, this triangle. I'll make separate. So have a look here how we can make it. This triangle, I'm going to make it. Here 90 degree, here A, here O, and this is a 3 root 3, and this is a 1. And same approach, I'll make a second triangle. And this is root 3, and this is a 2, this is a beta, and this name is alpha. So I believe our points are very clear and planning is very clear. Let's start. So first of all, how to get this one? I think very clear approach. How to get this alpha opposite by adjacent. Here also opposite by adjacent. So alpha is actually equals to tan inverse opposite by adjacent. I'm not finding its answer. Beta is equals to tan inverse opposite by adjacent. So I think so. Point is very clear. And now I'm just saying, what is angle AOB is equals to pi minus alpha plus beta. Add them and subtract it. And I type all together. I type all together directly without any break. Okay, the pi minus in the bracket. I am typing. Sometime it give you not accurate answer. That is why I'm typing as it is. And when you type all together, so it will give me my answer. And if I type, okay, it will give me 2 pi. But let me recheck. Okay, I am typing, and please make sure calculator must be in radian mode. Make sure, please, it must be in radian mode. So pi minus tan inverse. So 1 divided by 3 root 3, and then minus tan inverse. So 2 divided by root 3. And let me check. Yeah, it's giving exact answer without any decimal. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, the point is very, very clear.